Alright, we're back with the Champion 20 and some fuzz pedals. This time with an overdrive, TS style, with the gain cranked up. To emulate a Marshall, basically, is what we're doing there. If I was using it more in a Stevie Ray context, I would not turn the drive up this much. But for now, we're emulating a Marshall. We're going with that idea. I will show a little bit of how to use it, you know, as the lead boost when using the fuzz as rhythm later in this video. I'll do both, just so you get an idea. So, without further ado, let's get to the tones. Alright, so here's the clean signal, everything on 10. Very Fendery and clean. Now we'll kick on this overdrive and pretend we're dealing with a quote-unquote Marshall. Even though I do have a Marshall, but we'll use this for now. Here we go. The sustain forever there. Anyway, alright. Next, just the basic tone of the Marshall sound. As you can see, that one's got more gain for sure. Anyway, here's another way to use this setup. Now we turned the overdrive off and we've got clean sound again. Hendrix fuzz. Roll it back to about, 5 or 6. get to the same place, but we do it a little bit differently, and that's how you can get tonal variations if you're playing live and you got these 3 dirt pedals. And the gypsies rolled back to about 3. Like I said, you get to the same place, just a little bit differently. So, I hope that this video was helpful in addition to the other one in the series, which is how to use the solid state amp, its digital modeling amp, and how to use it with fuzz faces and overdrive pedals, because most of the time people think that don't work, but you just got to stay within the parameters of the amp. Don't push it too hard. Don't turn things up too much. Consequently, don't turn it down too much either, but more so, don't push it too hard, because you're not going to like what happens when it digitally does that thing. So you always got to go a little bit below what you would with a tube amp. So anyway, hope these insights are helpful. If you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up. If you have comments or questions, down in the comments section, and I'll see you guys later. All right, peace.